As I look at this, I see that they're telling me the vertices, so they're telling me A, and the foci, so they're telling me C, and this is a hyperbola, so I know that C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. So that means B squared is equal to C squared minus A squared. And I just need to know what C and A are, and that'll tell me what B is, and I can write the standard form of the equation. So let's see, the vertices. They're on, I wish my x-axis was a little straighter. Let's fix that. Well, I guess some things cannot be straightened. Let's see, we're at 0, and we got plus 2, and we have minus 2. Oh, that doesn't look like minus 2. How about that? Still looks bad. A little trouble. Okay, so there are my vertices. Looks like it's a vertical hyperbola, a vertically oriented hyperbola. And the foci, of course, will be further away. They're going to be 4 out, so twice as far. Twice as far. I don't like the way I draw points down here. Anyway, so there we go. And it's going to look something, well, we don't know what B is, so I shouldn't rush ahead. My center is clearly, H is 0 and K is 0. So my origin is the center. How nice. And so let me say that A is 2 away from the center, and C is 4 away from the center. So I can say B squared is equal to C squared, which is 16, minus A squared, which is 4. So we have B squared equals 12, and B is equal to 2 times the square root of 3 if we simplify it. The 4 comes out of the 12 to be a pair on the outside, and 2 times the square root of 3. Let me just get something that makes a little sense here. Oops, wrong button. Square root of 3 and 2 times that, we got about 3.5. Let's say 3.5. So, the strange thing, we're actually going to go a little further here in the B direction. We don't really expect that because we come at hyperbolas last, and we don't really expect it to be longer in the B direction. It's a vertical. Shouldn't it have to be? No, it doesn't have to be anything. So let's see what we have here. I'm just graphing this, I guess, for fun, just to help you think about this. And these are pretty flat asymptotes here, pretty flat. And, even flatter than I'm making them. Too bad. Okay, so, yeah, it's like that. Like that. Okay, kinda. And, so guess what? My y is first. Has to be. Y squared. I'd say y minus k, but why should I bother? And that's 2 squared minus x squared over, what's b? Well, I'm just going to write 12. It's 2 square root of 3 squared, but I know that's 12, is equal to 1. So, strange thing, x isn't the major direction. It's not a horizontally oriented hyperbola, but this is where we get pancake type vertically oriented hyperbolae. There we go. Anything else? I don't think so. Well, it told me the center was at the origin. Well, anyway, I figured that out.